Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change device name on SONY ZV-1 II. So first, press the menu button here. Now go over to the network, which is the green icon. And now what you guys can do is simply look for the SSID or the device name. So here, as you guys can see, we have nothing. Now here we have the SSID, but it doesn't matter. Simply go to network option and here click on edit device name. Now here, as you guys can see, you can change it like that. It works like the old phone keyboards, and after you're done, click OK and then click OK once again. And this is how you can easily do that. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.